this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix indexing in progress error on iPhone after iOS 27 update. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable since indexing requires proper syncing with Apple services. Then go to Settings tab General and check Software Update to ensure your iPhone is fully updated. If there is another pending update or patch, install it right away as Apple often releases fixes for post-update background issues. Next, head back to the main page of Settings. Go to General, go to the option Language and Region. Now set your region to a supported one like US or UK. This helps reset certain system services that may be stuck after the update. After that, head back to the main page of Settings. Go to this option Siri and Apple Intelligence. Go to the option Language. Now change your Siri language to English US or English UK, then go back and re-enable Siri again. This helps refresh the system indexing process tied to voice and search features. Once that's done, restart your iPhone to fully apply the changes. After restarting, don't worry, if the issue does not disappear instantly, indexing can take 24 to 48 hours to fully complete in the background. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.